Okay. What do we have here? Some presents from cousin Dorothy. Luke, look at this. Look at that book. The First Christmas. Wow. Maybe Mama can read it to you tonight?
No?
Yeah.
No?
Yeah. Wow. Gentle. Gentle.
Is that a special book, Luke? Is that a special book?
Ooh.
Yeah?
Cool, huh? Very cool, huh? All right. Mama can
Say thank you.
say thank you.
Can you say thank you?
Get the...
You're welcome.
He's
All right,
gonna dig in
All
there.
right.
Now you can grab. You can grab one thing out of here, okay?
Okay. What do I do?
Go, just reach in and grab one thing out of there, okay?
What but what if I grab
Just
one-
grab one thing.
Okay.
You should like close your eyes and reach in your hand and
Yeah.
just grab something. And don't look. There you
All
go.
right.
All right.
Let's see.
Do you know you get to open one of these every day until Christmas?
No.
Isn't that
Yeah.
cool?
What's this? Oh, it's a snowman that glows.
Whoa.
Cool.
Very cool.
Oh, you ripped off the...
Okay. That's pretty cool, though.
There's something in here.
Open it up. Do you know what that is? Is it
Reindeer.
a reindeer? It's Rudolph because it's got a red nose.
Mimic.
Reindeer. Ooh, thank
I
you.
got a Santa.
Do you know what that is? Yeah.
It says a magic towel. Oh, you put it in water and it'll grow. What is that?
I don't know.
Who's this, Luke? Who's this?
Oh.
Santa. Say hi, Santa. Can you give Santa a kiss?
Look at
I
all
got
the
so
colors.
many Santa.
Aww.
Look at all the colors.
Whoa, look at all the sand. I bet it's for something. Do you think it goes inside that snowman? And we can make it? You can make it and put layers of sand maybe in this and make it any color you want. Well, that'll be really fun.
Wow.
Can we do it tonight?
How about we do it tomorrow? And you get to open
Very
another
cool.
one tomorrow.
Say
Thank you.
Thank you.